Understanding possessives, determiners and pronouns. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today we'll delve into a very important topic: form and structure, possessive determiners versus possessive pronouns. Let's clarify these tricky English grammar concepts to help you improve your proficiency. Possessive determiners, often referred to as possessive adjectives, are used to indicate possession or ownership. They include words such as my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. On the other hand, possessive pronouns are used to replace a noun phrase to avoid repetition. They include words such as mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Example: possessive determiner, this is my book. Possessive pronoun, this book is mine. The main difference between these two types of possessives lies in their usage. Possessive determiners always come before a noun, acting like an adjective to modify it. Example: her bag is red. Possessive pronouns stand alone and replace the noun phrase. They're used when it is clear what the noun being referred to is, helping to avoid repetition. Example: the red bag is hers. Let's focus on the form and structure of these two types of possessives. A possessive determiner follows this structure. Possessive determiner plus noun. Example: his apple is green. A possessive pronoun follows this structure. Possessive pronoun plus verb, or it can stand alone. Example: the green apple is his. Remember, possessive determiners modify the noun that follows them and possessive pronouns stand alone, taking the place of the noun. It's important to keep practicing these concepts to fully understand and internalize them. We hope this video clarified the difference between possessive determiners and possessive pronouns in English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and until next time, happy language learning.